Leaders build culture not with hammers or nails, but with certain types of conversation. I read this quote in a newsletter that I received in the email, and it is 100% spot on. In my experience, most leaders don't speak frequently enough to their employees. Honestly, it's a primary issue for most leaders. They get caught in the busyness of the business, and I have years of experience to back this up. I get the old, Clegg, I talk to my employees all the time about work. My point is, all of the conversations don't have to be about work. Having casual conversations can actually help create connection. It just can't be your only form of conversation. We call these casual conversations breaking bread. Maybe it's a quick walk outside because it's a nice day. Maybe it's a cup of coffee at the local cafe. It doesn't have to be scheduled, and it can be impromptu. Breaking bread is one of the 4 primary connections in the Leadership Squared framework. The other 3 are one-on-ones, skip level meetings, and then the all important stay interviews. We have to spend more time with our direct reports. Having frequent connections that don't involve work talk can actually lead to a greater level of connection and trust. Please subscribe to this channel where all things are leadership and personal development.